Hey guys, welcome back. Excuse me, to the single mom versus the fixer upper on how to DIY and save a dime. So this is another kitchen cooking tip. As you know, my happy place as a homemaker is in the kitchen. So today I'm going to be whipping up some homemade Salisbury steak, and I have all my goodies and seasonings in the ground turkey. And I have my potatoes. These potatoes were cut about 3 days ago, actually 3 days ago to be exact. And I got under the weather. I didn't feel good. And when I felt better, I said I will make it because I've been having a taste for Salisbury steak. I got my water ready to boil my potatoes, and I have my pan getting ready to put the Salisbury steaks in. Sometimes I do them on top, but I don't want to watch them, so I'm going to put them in the oven. But let me tell you, the kitchen tip that I came to tell you about was lemon juice, salt, or vinegar will be your best friend when it comes to potatoes. For apples, you can use lemon juice, and also for potatoes, you can use salt, lemon juice, or vinegar to stop the oxidation process. I've talked to you guys about this before. So that's why these potatoes still look okay. They don't look bad from sitting in water in the refrigerator for a couple days. So if you want to stop the oxidation process and you're not sure when you're going to make it, if you're making a potato salad or doing anything with potatoes and you don't want them to look bad or dark, put you some vinegar in your water, salt in your water, or lemon juice. My preference is usually vinegar or lemon juice, and it's regular white distilled vinegar inside this water, and that way I don't have to worry about my potatoes being wasted and my mashed potatoes looking a mess. Now, they have a slight tint to them, so I'm going to rinse them off, which is not a problem because they have been sitting, but they are not brown. Like, you ever seen how an apple or potatoes get brown when they oxidize? It looks disgusting. It looks like they're rotten. So yeah, just a tip. That's how you do it if you're not sure when you're going to make them. And if you would like to cut your potatoes ahead of time or apples ahead of time for baking a pie or pastries, or like I said, potato salad, or even homemade mashed potatoes, you can do this. So tonight, that's what our meal is going to be. My Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, and I'm not sure what veggie Rizzy wants, but whatever she decides, because I eat all veggies, it really doesn't matter. That's what we're gonna have. All right, guys, let me get my onions cut up, put some in here, and also chop some up for when I make the gravy. So let me get into it. I hope this was a helpful tip for you. If it was, please comment below because I do talk back in the comments. And if you're interested in seeing this recipe in the future, step-by-step process, please let me know because I'll definitely share that with you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you join the family by hitting the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And with that being said, guys, let me get back to making this tasty meal. I will see you guys later, gators.